Hello there. I'm so excited to bring you this amazing video course titled Step by Step Guide for Parents on How to Raise Responsible Kids. And the good news is that it's absolutely free. I'm a parenting and relationship author, speaker, and course creator, and I've been speaking and writing for well over 10 years. People who have come across my writings and teachings will confirm that their lives and that of their families have been positively transformed as a result of the contact. At the end of this course, you'll be able to know how exactly to practically relate with your kids to make them amazing, beautiful, and wonderful kids. I'm also the author of the life transforming parenting ebook titled 10 Parenting Secrets You Need to Raise Responsible Kids. Some of the things you'll be learning inside this free video course include 1. How to set clear rules and expectations for your children. 2. How to encourage independence for your children by giving them age-appropriate responsibilities. 3. How to lead your children by example. 4. How to teach your kids problem-solving skills. 5. Reward responsibility. How to reward your children whenever they show any act of responsibility. 6. How to stay and be involved with your children. Are you a parent, aspiring parent, grandparent, teacher, or are you someone who deals with children in any way, particularly the preteens or teenagers, or those who are above that? Then this course definitely is for you. You can go through the course description to get more information about the course. See you inside the course. Don't forget, the good news is that this course is absolutely free. Thank you.